Learn English to Gujarati. Find and would find with.
શોધવું.
Welcome to the great lost key mystery. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati the fun way. Today, we chase one tiny missing key and a whole parade of useful forms of find. Picture this. One key is missing, one family is dramatic, and one very confident pigeon is somehow involved. The basic verb is
શોધવું.
which means find. So if you want to say, I want to find my keys, you can imagine yourself whispering, I need to
શોધવું.
them before I become a permanent resident of this hallway. In our story, everybody thinks they are a detective. Nobody is, but you, at least, will sound smart in Gujarati. The hero makes a promise. Let us start with you, the brave learner. You are calm, determined, and only slightly annoyed. You stand in the doorway and declare,
હું શોધીશ.
I would find. Very bold, very cinematic. Maybe you say, give me 5 minutes, one snack, and absolute silence.
હું શોધીશ.
Quote. Repeat it once like a movie hero, then once like a tired person looking for keys under a sofa.
હું શોધીશ.
The family gives advice. Now everyone else becomes extremely helpful, which of course means they say obvious things. Your aunt points at the sofa and says,
તમને મળશે.
You would find. Translation. Have you tried looking in the place where lost things always hide? Your cousin opens a drawer full of rubber bands, 3 pens that do not work, and one mysterious button. He shrugs and says,
તમને મળશે.
So hear the rhythm, you would find.
તમને મળશે.
He, she, and absolute confidence. Now the whole household starts judging everyone else's searching skills. Very educational, slightly rude. Grandpa says about your brother.
તે શોધે.
He would find. Meaning, if he stopped checking the fridge, he might actually find the key. Then Grandma says about your sister.
શોધી કાઢત.
She would find. Because she actually looks properly, unlike the fridge detective. A more general form is would find.
શોધે.
Useful when you want to sound thoughtful and mysterious, as if a clue may appear at any second. Team search mode. Now the search becomes a group project, which is exciting until everybody searches the same cushion. When you speak about the whole team, say,
અમે શોધી કાઢતા.
We would find. Example feeling. If we all stopped talking and started looking.
અમે શોધી કાઢતા.
Quote. If you talk to the whole group, use
મળી આવે.
for the idea of you all would find in context. Check the bag again and the ticket.
મળી આવે.
Quote. And for they would find, your source phrase is they would find. In the data you gave, the target item appears as
Sie fanden.
We include it exactly as provided, even though it stands out from the Gujarati set. So in our strange multilingual mystery, the narrator whispers,
Sie fanden.
They would find. Mini dialogue drill. Let us make the words move. Listen to the tiny drama and enjoy the chaos. A. I need to find the key. B. Then.
શોધવું.
Properly, not emotionally. A. Fine.
હું શોધીશ.
B. Good. Under the sofa.
તમને મળશે.
Grandpa, if your brother tried harder.
તે શોધે.
Grandma, your sister? Oh, she.
શોધી કાઢત.
In 10 seconds. Everyone together, if we worked as a team.
અમે શોધી કાઢતા.
Narrator, for no clear reason, perhaps.
Sie fanden.
Quick recall challenge. Your turn. Answer in your head, out loud, or dramatically point at a cushion if that helps. How do you say find?
શોધવું.
How do you say I would find?
હું શોધીશ.
How do you say you would find?
તમને મળશે.
How do you say he would find?
તે શોધે.
How do you say she would find?
શોધી કાઢત.
How do you say would find?
શોધે.
How do you say we would find?
અમે શોધી કાઢતા.
How do you say you all would find?
મળી આવે.
How do you say they would find?
Z fandon.
The key is found, obviously. And now, the big ending. The mystery reaches its glorious, slightly embarrassing solution. After 10 minutes of serious searching, 3 wrong guesses, and 1 accusation against the pigeon, the key is finally found. Not under the sofa, not in the bag, not in the fridge, thank goodness. It is in the door. Yes, in the door. The whole family goes silent. Then everyone laughs. You smile with the confidence of a new language learner and review the forms one last time.
શોધવું. હું શોધીશ. તમને મળશે. તે શોધે. શોધી કાઢત. શોધે. અમે શોધી કાઢતા. મળી આવે.
And
Z fandon.
suddenly, losing the key feels almost worth it. Friendly goodbye. Nice work. You made it through the mystery and learned the language at the same time. Thanks for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating these words aloud, use them in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow to practice again. The more you repeat,
શોધવું.
and its forms, the faster you will remember them. You are doing great, so keep going and have fun with Gujarati.